Okay, so we have our basic page set up where we've got our home page, about us page, etc. and no real content or any links whatsoever. So we have our head div, our content div, and then we've got our footer div, and then the whole div for the whole section for the page. Now in here on our home page we want to add some buttons. So server a href, that's simple. Now we'll go to the about us page. So all links to web pages, we have an ID down here. So we want to link it by hashtag about us. So this should be exactly the same as the ID, including capitalization, spaces, the works. So that's exactly the same. Next, I want to say, right, I want to use something called data, and then it's role, and I want to use something called button. That's easy. So just produce data button. I'm going to go data, and this time I want to say, right, what icon I want to have. So icon. And you can see I've got a selection, and I want, as it's navigating and getting to the next page, I want arrow right. Then I need basically to tell about its icon position. So I want icon pos. And basically I want to say on the right hand side because it's going right. And I can close that bit, then I can state put the text I want to say, so about us, nice capitalization, etc. And then finish the reference off. Now, what I need to do is that for my services page, location page, etc. So 2 more times. So now, obviously, beyond about us, we want services, data button, arrow right, right, same, etc. This time, I'll just change that obviously to services, and we want hashtag locations here, and we want to say locations here. So, press save. Let's just save it for me. Just happy about it. Give it a moment. Then we just preview it. Now, gone wrong here, obviously. Bit of an issue. Because I've left the opening bracket there. Very clever. So let's try that one again. Save it. Here we go. So we now have 3 buttons: about us, services, and locations. And if you click on those, it should go to the next page. Okay. So that is about us, services, locations. We're going to do the contact us button in the next video.